my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this Christmas tree that I ordered from Target on 15th and I received it on 17th. It's quite fast. They ship by UPS and the Christmas tree is 7 feet tall, a light, slim, avatar artificial Christmas tree, and they are the third party from Wonder Shop. The original price of the tree is $100 and because it's Friday selling, so I got it from $55. And I'm really excited to unbox the tree, so I'm going to unbox it with all of you. That's all they have. Okay, let's make it happen. So they only have 3 parts. This is a really bottom part. It's the stands. I guess I have to order the Christmas tree skirt separately. But it really depends on how it looks. Like if it looks fine, then I might just forget about the skirts. But if it doesn't look cozy, then I will have the skirts to just make the home looks more warm and just get ready for the Christmas. Okay. Over here, it does show me on the very top it's gonna be part A and the second part is gonna be part B. So I'm assuming this part is gonna be C. I'm so glad that it has the label. That's B section over here. I'm trying my best to hold it and let all of you go, like, take a look. Well, this is actually my first time to make a Christmas tree. I don't even know. Maybe I should just keep it slow and step by step. I'm back and let's get started. So first of all, we have to take out this. So the Christmas tree is finished setting up. And here's another thing that I want to share at the same time as about the Christmas is the advanced calendar for the dogs from Costco. I'm not quite sure if they're still on sale for now, but what we can do right now is we can unbox, and then it has 8 dog toys, 16 bags of dog treats. Okay. 3, 2, 1, da-da! Da-da-da-da! Da-da-da-da! Wow! Because over here as the left side we have 3, which is already open. It is a ball inside, and number 9 is a ball. 21 is a ball. 15 is a ball as well, so I'm guessing like all these 4 boxes is gonna be toys. And then here's another one. It looks like Lish. Oh, this is really holiday. Okay. And then what about this one? That doesn't have a number showing. Oh, that's just nothing. Okay. And then I have, this is number 6. What is this? Wow, this is so cute. It's so adorable. What is, oh. Oh dear. And I am assuming all of this 22, 14, 10, and then 19, 2nd, 7th, 20th, 23rd. Oh, this one looks like cereal. And then 4th, cereal again. And then number 8, 13, oh, gingerbread, ginger cookie, first and 16. Yep, these are all treats. And then 12, I'm assuming might be a toy. Yeah, that is. Okay. What is this? Ice cream? Or not ice cream, so it could be a drink, frappuccino, another treats, and then 18, toy. Ooh! Wait, this sounds a little different.
Hi, my name is Gingerbread. Nice to meet you.
These 3, and I have a ball. Alright, so this is the end of this video, and I will be unboxing something else in my next video. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, and click the notification so you won't miss any of my next episode. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time. Bye!